Sharing your day, spicing up conversations with daily routines and habits. Hello learners! Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we're going to dive into an incredibly important part of conversational English, talking about our daily routines and habits. But we're not only going to explore how to describe our day. We'll focus on how to do it in an engaging way, because sharing our personal experiences can make our conversations much more exciting and meaningful. To share our experiences, we need to understand the basics first. In English, verbs are at the heart of expressing our daily routines and habits. But it's not just about the verbs, we also need to understand the structure of sentences to clearly describe these routines and habits. The common sentence structure for describing daily routines and habits is subject plus verb plus object. For example, I drink coffee in the morning. In this sentence, I is the subject, drink is the verb, and coffee in the morning is the object. While the basic structure of sentences can help us describe our routines, it might become boring if we keep using the same format. One way to keep things interesting is to use a variety of verbs and time expressions. Let's look at an example. Basic sentence: I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Spiced up sentence: I savor a healthy breakfast as soon as the clock strikes 8. See how the second sentence uses more descriptive language. Practice making your sentences more colorful. Now, let's delve into the heart of today's topic: sharing personal experiences. Adding these to your conversations will make them more engaging and relatable. To effectively share personal experiences, we need to go beyond just stating the facts. We need to include feelings, thoughts, and observations. For example, instead of saying, I walk my dog in the park, you could say, every afternoon, I enjoy a peaceful walk with my energetic beagle, Max, in the sun-dappled park nearby. We both love the feeling of the cool grass under our feet. Remember, your personal experiences are unique and can make for engaging conversations. So, that's it for today's video, learners. I hope this lesson on sharing your daily routines and habits in English conversations has been helpful. The next time you're in a conversation, don't forget to share your experiences, and don't be afraid to add some color to your descriptions. As always, practice is key. So keep practicing, keep improving, and keep sharing your amazing experiences. Until next time, happy learning!